a very important topic. Okay, shortest distance between two skew lines. Now here I have drawn a figure, and I am going to explain you figure when we are solving this part. Now let L1 and L2. Now L1 I have mentioned here and L2 here. These are the two lines, L1 and L2 are the two lines with vector equation vector r is equal to a1 plus lambda b1 vectors and vector r is equal to a2 plus lambda b2 respectively. L1, L2, these are the two lines. PQ is a perpendicular on it, AB is one of the line, B1 and B2 are the two vectors with, when we are writing, I will just write it, B1 is parallel to L1 and B2 is parallel to L2. Now, L1 passes through point A with position vector A1 and parallel to vector B1, and L2 passes through point B with position vector A2 parallel to vector B2. Now simple statements. Now PQ, let PQ be the shortest distance between lines L1 and L2, then vector PQ is perpendicular to both line L1 and L2. When PQ shortest, always perpendicular distance is the shortest between the two lines. So let PQ be the shortest distance between lines L1 and L2, then vector PQ is perpendicular to both line L1 and L2 which are parallel to vector B1 and vector B2. Now therefore PQ is perpendicular to B1 and B2, vector B1 and vector B2, such that PQ is parallel to vector B1 cross vector B1 cross vector B2. Now this is the main thing, that's why I have written in green. Now from the figure it shows that PQ is equal to length of projection of AB on PQ. Length of projection of AB on PQ. Therefore, this is equal to vector AB dot vector PQ upon magnitude of vector PQ. Now, let this be number 1. Now, unit vector n cap. Now, we are just taking this one. Unit vector n cap in the direction of vector B1 cross vector B2 is given by unit vector n cap is equal to, now this will be B1 cross B2 upon magnitude of B1 cross B2 vectors. Okay. So now vector PQ is equal to, we can write it magnitude of vector PQ dot n vector cap. Is it clear? So to vector PQ we can write it magnitude of vector PQ with n cap 2. Now or we can write it also, now vector AB is equal to position vector of B minus position vector of A. Okay, position vector of B minus position vector of A, and this is equal to A2 minus A1. Now from 1 and this 2 using this also. Okay, now we can write it, let this be 3. From 1 and 2, now 1 is which one? AB dot PQ upon magnitude of vector PQ. Vector PQ is this one and AB is this one. Okay. So from 1 and 2 we get magnitude of vector PQ is equal to vector AB magnitude of vector PQ dot n cap upon magnitude of vector PQ. Now just check it. You are already having PQ, length of the projection of AB on PQ, AB dot PQ vectors upon magnitude of PQ. Now AB as it is and PQ from here we have given magnitude of PQ dot vector n. So I have written magnitude of PQ dot vector n upon magnitude of PQ. Okay, this one. So now this is equal to vector A2 minus vector A1 dot B1 cross B2 upon magnitude of B1 cross magnitude of B2. Okay, so to this, if you want to write this in the more simplest form, then we can write it this as like this also. Okay, so now we are having A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 in the vector form and magnitude of B1 cross D2. Now shortest distance shortest distance between two lines say vector r is equal to vector a1 plus lambda vector b1 and vector r is equal to vector a2 plus lambda vector b2 is given by a2 minus a1 b1 b2 upon magnitude of vector b1 cross vector b2. So this is the formula for finding the shortest distance.